Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and this is Shruti. You can call her
Shruti.
Bhola.
Yes, you can call
She's
me Shrutspa, Shruts, Bhola, whatever you want.
lovely. So welcome back, Bhola, and
Thank
lovely to
you.
have you as always. For
Thank you.
those wondering, where's Maddie? Maddie is busy with real world things.
I have
But
happily stepped in and told Maddie ke chinta na kar, main संभाल लूंगी. Don't worry.
you are somehow doing
Yeah.
very well. So today, let's we are reacting to a brand new track that just dropped,
Yes.
and I got a lot of DMs about it. It is basically two rappers from Pakistan collabing with each other, and someone called Somi Chauhan. So it's Rap Demon. He's from Islamabad, and I've never reacted to anything of his, so this will be my
Right.
intro to him. And he's got
Okay.
Tala Anjum with him. So Tala Anjum is a huge name, and it's like a pioneer of the Urdu rap scene, along
Huh.
with Tala Yunus, and together they are young stunners. And I have reacted to Guman before, sort of a soft romantic-ish sort of song from them, and then Maddie and I reacted to Quarantine, which was young stunners with Krishna.
I saw that
So,
one. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
you saw it. Okay.
Yeah, I
So
saw it.
you've kind of got a
Yeah, so I have a
intro to
question. I
them.
don't know if you can answer it, but as as young stunners, because
Hmm.
there's two of them, like you said, there's Tala Anjum and Tala Yunus,
Yeah.
but here it's only Tala Anjum. So they
So they
kind of
are,
do separate work as well.
yeah. So they
Yeah,
have a lot of solo tracks, but when they come together, they are young
and
stunners.
that's when it's a band. Yeah, okay, nice,
It's
cool.
a duo. Yeah.
No, it's a duo. Yeah, yeah, correct.
So they have. Let me just check who is the High Zone Records presents the second track of Rap Demon's EP called Baddest Brown Boy. Okay.
That is Brown Boy.
Written and performed by Rap Demon Talanjum and Somi Chauhan. Music is by Farasat Anis. Okay. So, because normally youngsters, I think their music is by Jokhe, who's
Okay,
a producer. But anyway, so it's Farasat Anis. Let's just see what it's about. My God, November
yeah.
6th it dropped.
Let's
So,
just dive into it. See the video and then
chalo.
take the next steps.
And if we don't understand in the Urdu rap and some words, we'll Google it.
We'll ask
But
you.
yeah.
बता देना हमें.
Chalo.
चल, ठीक है.
One,
Good.
two, three. Yeah, no, wait. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play. Grey Goose sponsor.
I'm ready. My mama, I'm sorry. Background.
ये बीटे सुन के हो जाता हूँ sentimental. We used to cover rap songs on them instrumentals. Point of no return, drunk dancing with the devil. मेरी technique immortal on another level. Reference मेरे पकड़ते हैं समझदार, और जो नहीं समझते वो आके पकड़ ले मेरा. नहीं, no homo, तो शाबा पीछे पीछे. I'm all the way up, और तुम लड़के हो नीचे नीचे. Somebody go and tell my exes I'm done healing. Might get a tattoo on my heart that says fuck feelings. I keep it real बेटा, true भी और real भी. घुसूं मैं दिमाग में, they call it neurology. इस काम में कदीम जैसे शहर टेक्सला. Bitch please, you know I am not a regular. असली हिप हॉप करने वालों की जरूरत bro, और उसके लिए you would need me in particular. Articulate through the beat any given day. Life gave me lemon so I gave it back a lemonade. अब वो कहेंगे I'm trying to copy Eminem, but damn, who gives a fuck about them anyway? गाली दूं like Uncle Luke, smoke weed like I am Snoop, bitch. I don't talk, bitch, I just do. My young Hov J, I'm the fucking renegade. With that said, Farasat on the beat, bitch.
कर देनी मुंडे गल माड़ी, छड़ देनी तू भी मन मारी. तेरे कोलों इत्थे होना कुछ नहीं, सीन ते मुकदी ए गल सारी. कर देनी मुंडे गल माड़ी, साडी चलदी ए मन मारी. मेरे यार ने पागल सारे आंदी चलदी ए फनकारी. वेख लै तू चिट्टी मेरी लैक्स, हुंदे वख बहुते मित्रां दे फ्लैक्स. Decks pay direct top models, swagged out fast lane full throttle. I'm a fucking showstopper. लौंडे मेरे बहुत पागल. I'm a fucking showstopper. लौंडे मेरे बहुत पागल.
Glock 19 वाली शॉट भाई की, मुझे काफी लौंडे बोल रहे हैं साइन मी.
खानदान वाले कॉल करे आई नहीं I'm chilling with them boys यानी हाईवे पे high beams 90s vibe slow ride बड़े high scenes motherfuck the 50 I don't have my ID मेरी chick लगे काइली फिर बोल कैसे आए ना ये शायरी shit दम दम खींच बेटा दम दम मस्त थम करे बेस मुझे आने लगी just fuck marijuana पड़ी church take a cut shit a lick dick a bitch देता फीके नहीं मैं fucks 96 मार्च 20 का ये किस्सा शुरू हुआ दुनिया से खुन्नस का रिश्ता विश के ये मानते जो जानते हैं सब ही You all know इस्लामाबाद किसका Green light दे दी मैंने मेरे boys को Seems right कि तू यहाँ से हो 9 तो 11 real life scenes देख मेरे शहर के इंटरनेट छुते आपा तूने follow मारा मैं हूँ पाकिस्तानी हम डाले game heavy I just said the ground rules and the bitch came at me मैंने पूछा उससे क्यों ऐसी wild है वो बोली यही सूट करे तेरे style पे कर देनी मुंडे गल माड़ी छड़ देनी तू भी मन मानी तेरे कोलों इत्थे होना कुछ नहीं सीन ते मुकदी ए गल सारी कर देनी मुंडे गल माड़ी साडी चलदी ए मन मानी मेरे यार ने पागल सारे सारे आंदी चलदी ए फनकारी वेख ला तू चिट्टी मेरी लैक्स हुंदे वख बहुते मित्रां दे फ्लैक्स Dex paid the right top models Swag out fast lane full throttle I'm a fucking showstopper Lord मेरे बहुत पागल I'm a fucking showstopper Lord मेरे बहुत पागल
Damn.
Right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Matlab, it was like going London, suddenly looking Tokyo. Like, you know, for me, that's what happened. Because when
Why?
the video started, when the video started, I was like, ये तो बड़ा homemade type लग रहा है वीडियो मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे like you know इतना लोग ऐसे खड़े होके मतलब क्या हो क्या रहा है थोड़ा मतलब कुछ ऐसा ऐसा value होना चाहिए ना but then when he started rapping the moment he opened his mouth, like first 2 words were out of his mouth, and I was like, I stand corrected. Kya ho raha hai ye? Like, and I was like, I just wanted to see it like that.
He has his voice, man, presence. Like you can't not listen when he starts uttering words.
The grip on his voice, the way he's going from one thing to another, and the things he's picking up. I mean, I'm sure it's the stuff that's happening around him, which he's talking about. So it's not very hard hitting. It is very like आराम से वो बता रहा है अपनी कहानी, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो bars use कर रहा है, they're very nice. Like you know, I liked it. I liked the way he.
So the EP is called Baddest Brown Boy, and like this song lives up to that name, Baddest Brown Boys.
Absolutely.
I mean, they brought all the right vibes for this one. So I mean, starting with the video looks very old school, है ना? Like it's got that design. I think that's intentionally done.
I'm sure. Yeah.
I didn't hear a lot of Urdu words in this. It was Hindi, English, and
Punjabi.
And
Yeah, and
like
it was Punjabi
normal. And so that was Rap Demon. I didn't know he was a Punjabi rapper. I mean, I'm sure he does multiple languages, but the Punjabi flavor he brought in.
I really enjoyed the Punjabi flavor a lot more. Like I loved it when he
I loved it exactly. And the thing is, both of them have a very nice, like their just their voice quality is just very grabbing.
It's this. Like I just want to listen and go like this.
Like you only feel like the baddest brown boy when you're listening to it, basically. That's what it is. But no, but a lot of credit goes to the producer of the music because damn, like what is this? The beat, man. Like you just play that beat without any vocals on it and you'll be like,
you're sorted. But at the same time, when those vocals were added to it, it has enhanced
another level.
Yeah, it has like I can listen to this song. I think today I'm going to listen to this song like with 5-6 baar.
Going on the playlist, multiple playlists of mine, but it's an out and out banger. Like you just hear the first 30 seconds of it and you know.
Yeah, you're hooked. Yeah. और ये अभी
Um,
रिलीज हुआ है, like you said, right? Like it's
yeah,
just released.
it
It's
just dropped,
completely
and
fresh off the rockers.
yeah, and the thing is, like this is a song you can play on the radio. Obviously, you need a radio edit of it, but
No,
I
no.
think
इसका रेडियो एडिट पता है कैसा होगा? It'll be like
beep
beep beep
beep
beep
beep
beep
beep
beep.
beep beep.
Dum da na beep 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 beep. ये नहीं हो सकता.
There'll be more
ये
beeps than words.
मुश्किल से इकट्ठा करके 15 सेकंड निकलेंगे, which will not be beeped out, so वो नहीं होगा.
नहीं,
हाँ,
थोड़ा
but
I think थोड़ा 15 से ज़्यादा होगा, but like yeah, I know
हाँ,
what you
मतलब
mean.
exaggerating थोड़ा सा.
Oh, but I would want to hear a song like this on the radio. Yeah. So
Yeah,
if there's a, I mean they do even in the West they release different radio versions now of the same
yeah,
song.
they do,
So
correct.
थोड़ा बहुत words change करके if they
मतलब
can do, I
beat
think.
को need बुला लो, you know,
I mean, if
like
they
you know,
can
stuff
do
like
it,
that.
it'll sound really good on radio, and I think it'll do well in the charts as well. It's got banger
It'll,
written all over it.
but it'll change the whole vibe of the song. गाने का vibe ही वो है कि जब तक वो वाले words use ना हो, सब कुछ है, no feel नहीं आता. वो
Yeah,
feel सुनते
I
सुनते
agree.
like
I
yeah,
agree.
very good, very
I
good.
agree.
So I like it.
And
Yes.
I like the production. It was tight. The movement from Pala Anjum to this one and the change in the language and all of that was just so smooth. I like.
So the music is apparently Faraz Tanis, like you said, like
Yeah,
very
Farasat Anis.
Farasat. Very nice, very nice.
Very.
I'm going to start.
We need to explore Pakistani hip hop a lot more, man.
I think just collectively hip hop.
Have
मेरी finally
yeah,
like class लग रही है यहाँ
Desi
पे.
hip hop. We just नहीं मेरी भी. I'm also new to the scene, so have some patience. And we know there's a lot of Rap Demon and Tala Anjum that we haven't covered. We will get to those, but this just dropped, so we wanted to get to the fresh one immediately. So Baddest Brown Boy EP is coming. Let's see, or it's already released. I don't know, but
And tell us what you felt about it. Like, you know, I'm sure some of you, because इतना नया है, not everyone must have heard it. So आपके first reactions क्या थे? सुना तो कैसा लगा? Like, how is it for you? So tell us about that as well.
And also Somi Chauhan, again, brilliant. This was like first time seeing his stuff, and I'm just basically everyone on this track is.
The entire track was phenomenal. Yeah,
mind is blown.
Like lyrically and like the vocals, everything just like completely made it for me. So,
certainly a showstopper. So yeah. On that note, we will take your leave, and
yes.
you do this well. So you do this part.
Like, क्या क्या करना है? पहले like करना है, right? Because of course you are liking it, you are liking it. And second, subscribe करना है. लेकिन ऐसे ही subscribe नहीं करना. You also have to know that हमें तो पता लगेगा, लेकिन आपको भी तो वापस पता लगे कि हमने क्या नया डाला है. तो यहाँ पे जो bell button है ना, which Jyoti calls घंटा. So उस घंटी को click करो, so that you get to know when next we're releasing a new, video. So please do that. And yes, on that note,
we'll see you in the
tata.
next one. Bye.
Next time. Bye.